What's up guys, my name is David from Litex and today I'll show you how to add a signature in Gmail mail, and that's very easy. I mean, it's not complicated, it's much easier than it in AOL as an example, and also you can personalize it even further more than you can do in AOL as an example. So once you'll be in your Gmail inbox, you'll have to locate the gear icon from the top right corner, and now we'll have to reach see all settings, and inside that we'll have to go to the general, and now let's scroll all the way down. I will blur all this because I don't want you to see all my information, but at the moment you locate signatures, and I found it, and as you can see I have no signatures, so I will have to create one. Let's press on that button and I will name it personal, because I may use this as a personal, like I send it to a friend or somebody like that, but I will create a work signature. So this will be the personal one. I will take my name David, and now I will make it simple, not very complicated. I want to make it bold, and if you want to like add a line on it, you can add a color behind or color the text. You can personalize everything here, but you have to select the text. So with this one I will color the text, yes, and this is the background. Let's leave it on white, and also I want to make the text red, just as a random example. I want to make it bold. If you wanna go italic, you can, and if you wanna add a line underneath, that's also possible. And if you have a logo, like let's say I want to add right here where I type logo, you want to add a logo instead of that text, you can by pressing on insert image, and right now you will have to locate just the picture you wanna add. I wanna recommend you create that a PNG in Photoshop or something. You can add here a logo, and if you want to add it on the left side, that's also possible. On the middles of the page or in the right side, that's also possible. And if you want to change the text style, that's also possible. Not very professional to use something like that, like Comic Sans or something, but you can go even furthermore with the personalization. And now if you want to create like a second signature, let's press on create a new one. Let's use the other one for work, because you may use the same email address for many uses, and here you can create another signature specific for work. Let's leave just test and make it bold, and let's color the background dark blue and make the text purple. That's not readable, but that's just an example. And let me show you now how you can use both of your signatures. Down below also you have the email address, and for new emails you have to choose a signature. I will use the personal one, and when you reply or forward an email, you can choose which one you want to choose, or when you are forwarding an email you can press on no signature. Well, right now let's scroll all the way down to the bottom and press on save changes, and I want to compose a new email, so I can choose, yeah, the signature is appearing. So here you will type as normal your email, and underneath you can see my email is set up. And if I want to change the signature, here at the bottom I will have a pen, and I can press on work, and the signature was just modified, so I can go personal, work, or also no signatures. So that's how you add or personalize a signature in AOL Mail. You can also create a signature in a Word or in other softwares, then copy and paste it in the settings of the Gmail. And also if you want to add a logo, you can create one in Photoshop or pay somebody to create you a logo, then you can add also a logo underneath your signatures. So that was the tutorial, guys, how to create a signature in Gmail Mail. I really hope I helped you with this tutorial. If I helped you, don't forget to thumbs up the like button and leave a comment, leave a question in the comment section of this video. If you have any questions or thoughts, I'll be more than happy to answer your question. Don't forget to subscribe for more Gmail tips, and have a great day.